cryptocurrencies, Web3 companies, DAOs, you name it. If it's in DeFi, we work with it. And in this video, I'm going to give you 5 basic strategies that any blockchain or crypto company can use to get adopters, get ROI on their marketing spend, and increase their marketing outcomes. Let's jump into it. First and foremost, you should work with influencers. Influencers already have individuals who trust them. Their followers are ready to listen to them and buy basically whatever they promote in their blogs. So while it's quite expensive to work with good, reputable influencers, especially in YouTube, Insta, and Twitter, it's definitely worth the investment. Say one viewer on a video would cost about $1 in YouTube. You can expect $2 to $10 of investment to flow into your project from that $1 spent, depending, of course, on how good your project is and how good the video that the influencer you work with produces. The second strategy that we use with almost all of our clients is to grow their Discord community with the cheapest possible promotions. The cheapest promotions are generally in Telegram channels. And while there's a lot of spam and scammers out there, if you are able to identify real Telegram channels with a long list of real subscribers, the ROI is massive. Usually when these individuals first come to your Discord, they're not ready to invest at that moment, but it's great to build that community and then work with it over time. Which brings us to the third strategy. Hire a social media marketing manager who can produce the right content for your channels. If you produce interesting and professional content that brings individuals back to your Discord channel, you'll warm them up over time and move them along that marketing journey from initial attention and their first impression of your company to interest, desire, and finally action. Investing in your NFT, blockchain, or using some service you have in the DeFi space. The fourth strategy that we often use with our clients is Bitcoin ad networks, which basically is a display marketing channel, so like Google banners ads, right, where your advertisement will be run as an image in the side of crypto-specific websites. So the Bitcoin ad network, like Coinzilla, BitMedia, Cointraffic, companies like that, they purchase this ad space in crypto websites, which are usually newsletters or indexes where you can read about cryptocurrency, and then you purchase that ad placement space from them. This is best for projects which have a low initial investment, that have some adoption already, but are looking to grow and can drive a lot of quality engagement through their site. The fifth and final strategy that we often work with our clients on is PR. So public relations means just posting sponsored articles or press releases in crypto news sites about your cryptocurrency. Could even be newsletters that those sites send out. But this PR is key, especially in attracting bigger investors. The higher domain ranking, the more authority that the sites that published your PR have, the greater your return is going to be. So if you can get into the biggest names in cryptocurrency or even the biggest names in technology, you'll be able to attract an entirely different caliber of investors than if you were only running ads in influencer placements who might invest with a smaller amount. So let's say if you run a YouTube ad, you can attract $100 or $1,000 of investment per investor in your project. If you run the right PR articles and you reach the right audiences, that $1,000 would be the minimum, up to $100,000 if you attract bigger investors. And if you get the highest level of PR in really reputable news sources, we're talking about millions of dollars in investments which you can attract. I hope you found this video useful and insightful.